Today I found an insane deal on AliExpress. A real genuine leather women's handbag that looks like a luxury designer tote, but bow at 60% off and it costs under $40. Let's find out if it's actually worth your money. Before you buy any handbag online, you need to see this. I tested the quality, the space, the leather, and even checked if it smells like real cowhide. Stay till the end, you'll be shocked. This is the genuine leather crossbody plus shoulder plus hand tote bag, all in one. It comes in brown, black, coffee, and green. And honestly, all the colors look premium. First impression? It looks expensive. The leather is soft, the stitching is clean, and the shape is a perfect box-style tote, which is trending right now in luxury brands. Size. Width, 31.5 cm. Depth, 12.5 cm. Height, 25 cm. It's not too big, not too small, perfect for office, travel, or everyday use. Inside design, interior zipper pocket, phone pocket, polyester lining. Simple but practical. Easy to organize your essentials. Strap, adjustable up to 130 cm. You can wear it as a crossbody, handbag, shoulder bag, or messenger bag. Super versatile. Closure, full zipper for security. I tested the leather. It's soft, flexible, and feels like legit cowhide. No cheap plastic smell. The zippers are smooth and the handles feel durable. This bag is perfect for office ladies, university students, moms, or anyone who wants a designer-style bag without the designer price. Measurements may vary by 2 to 3 centimeters. Colors might look slightly different due to lighting, but nothing major. Pretty standard for online purchases. Right now, it's 60% off on AliExpress, and honestly, for real leather and this build quality, it's a bargain. Most similar bags retail for $150 to $50. This might be one of the best leather handbag deals on AliExpress right now. Stylish, durable, spacious, and affordable. If you want a premium-looking bag without breaking your budget, this one is definitely worth checking out. Let me know in the comments which color you like the most. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoy budget-friendly product reviews.